Hi, Ian here from BeAWinningTrader.com. Today is Thursday the 6th of December 2018 and it is 15:23, in other words 3:23 p.m. in the afternoon here in the UK. And I want to show you a live trade that I'm presently in, trading the light crude oil market. And presently I have an open profit of $700, $600, $690. My daily profit target when trading the light crude oil market is $500. I initiated the trade here at 51.52. It has recently went to 50.70, and I'm giving it plenty of wiggle room. My stop was initially risking 19 points or $190, so I'm certainly going to bring my stop down now to lock in at least half of this position. So therefore I'm going to bring it locking in at least let me see, we'll bring it down locking in 50, at least $500. So in other words, I brought it down to 51.20, so that's $300. I can bring it down to lock in $500 at 02. So that means that I've now, that if I am stopped out, again I'm up $740, $750, $760. I'm giving it a little bit more wiggle room because obviously it is now down below the S2 level, and it's quite possible the market may fall further. Again, the pivot point is actually quite some distance down here, folk. Or S3, sorry, I should say, is down at 48.61, so perhaps it'll not just go as low as that, but I want to give it plenty of wiggle room. Indeed, we're up $800 now, locked in 5 of that. You know, I think I can lock in another little bit, so I can. You may say to me, Ian, why are you not taking this off the table now? Well, this could be a trade that could equate into $1,800. I do not know, and we want to leave it plenty of room for it to move as low as it's possibly going to do, or going to go, and we will let price determine when we want to come out. Again, I haven't got a lower vertical bar confirmed trading high, which leaves it quite awkward. Here were lower highs, lower lows, again with the red bars. This is why we took the trade. It was a lower vertical bar trading pattern confirmed high. We had red bars to confirm that weakness, and lo and behold, that is why we took the trade. I'm going to lock in $600 now, so I'm going to bring it that down to 92. Which is just above S2 level. So if I'm stopped out, I'm stopped out. I've locked in $600. I've given back $150, $200 perhaps, because I think we had an $800 open equity. But at the same time, I'm giving it enough room, what I call wiggle room, to move lower. I will just pause the video for a minute or so to see, is this market going to go lower, or I might come back, I may unpause it if I think we're going to be stopped out, because I would like to show the market knocking us out of the trade with a very handsome profit, dare I say it. So I will just pause it for a moment here. Thank you. Now indeed the market is coming up close to our stop at 92. It's trading at 85, 86. It still would be a $600 profit, considering the trade was taken at about 3:15 UK time this afternoon, and it is now not even 15 minutes later. So if we could earn $600 every 15 minutes, it would be very, very nice. Yesterday I didn't trade, Wednesday I didn't trade the light crude oil market. Again, the US markets were mainly closed, although there was the Globex session from which you could have traded. The trade may have been light. It was closed yesterday in the US for President Bush, for his funeral and for his service. It was a day of mourning. But our first two trades on Monday, we had $540 locked in. On Tuesday we had $800 locked in, and today we're going to have $600. So that is not a bad week so far, and it would be nice if it was a little bit better by going a little bit lower. This is to learn how to trade this methodology. It is go to BeAWinningTrader.com. We are having our next free oil trading masterclass on Monday the 10th of December. If you would wish to register for that and you cannot find it, please send me an email at info@beawinningtrader.com. I will just write that down. To register for our next webinar, it is info@beawinningtrader.com. There it is there, info@beawinningtrader.com. On the 10th of December at 7 p.m. UK time. I can send you the registration link. Now we're just about to be stopped out. It's coming up to our 92 level. It's still quite nice, folk. It may go lower, I appreciate that, but you know, there's no point over trading. We've hit our targets. Yes, we had $200 more of open equity, and again, trading more than one contract, you would have been able to lock in your profits in one and let the second one now run and give it a little bit more wiggle room. It's a little bit more difficult when you're trading one contract, because you're obviously trying to maximize the trade as much as possible, but at the same time you're not wanting to give too much back. There you can see my order's been filled. I've locked in $600 of profit in just about 15 or 16 minutes. So I don't think that's very bad at all. My daily target has been hit, and I'm glad I was able to share it with you. You can see where the market is. It possibly may go lower, but at the same time, hindsight is a wonderful thing, folk. Remember, if you wish to learn how to trade crude oil using our methodology, our price action methodology, coupled with my personally developed unique trading software, namely the STB Trend Trader software that paints the bars red as a sign of weakness, blue as a sign of strength, and green rather as a sign of nobody in control, in other words, sideways movement. Then our next free masterclass is this Monday night, the 10th of December at 7 p.m. UK, and it is info@beawinningtrader.com if you'd like me to send you the registration link. Look, thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you.